Happy Sunday! It's 12 o'clock, Sunday afternoon. Here's the fleet. Actually ngayon, today we'll be featuring a new car. Ito, meron tayong bagong kotse sa bahay. It's a 2009 C-Class C200 with the AMG package. Ayan, okay. So, ayan, here's the older brothers. This is the new guy. So basically ito, kotse to ng friend natin, one of our best friends. Shout out Miko, I know you're watching. Actually, binili namin to last year. Early last year, ata, kung di ako nagkakamali. Then, kasi kailangan ng wife niya ng kotse. Something small, something compact that he could drive around the city. So, ito yung napili namin, Benz. Kasi Benz lover din siya, no? So, this is actually released from Casa. Friend, ang first owner din nito is friend ko rin. So nabili niya to sa Casa with the AMG package. Yun yung na-request niya sa Casa. So this is a local released unit, no? So nabili namin to last year para magamit ng wife niya, but then lumipat na sila sa Antipolo. So nasa bundok na sila at hindi na sila masyadong lumalabas, no? So halos sa bahay. So hindi na nila ginagamit. The reason why it's here kasi kailangan niya nang ibenta dahil hindi naman nagagamit. So sa akin muna to at pinapabenta niya sa akin dahil walang time magbenta yun. So dito muna to sa bahay. So we have a new car in the house. So today is November, first week of November. So baka by the time I post this, baka sold na to. I don't know. Tira natin, no? So basically, this is the car. It's a 2009 C-Class C200 third generation ng C-Class. So actually, yung pinaka first generation ng C-Class is ito, si 190e. Hindi pa siya C-Class ng tawag na yun, pero ito ang pinanggalingan nila lahat. So the 190e came out, compact car, sedan. Tapos may first generation na C-Class, then second generation na C-Class, yung mga 2000 to 2004 ata. 6 na year models, then the third generation ito. Yan, yung medyo modelo na. Actually, yung coaching to, nagkaroon na rin kami dati nito. Si Daddy meron ito. So, I used it for about a year. Ginagamit ko rin ito. Sobrang gandang kotse, no? This is like the entry level of the Mercedes-Benz. So, kung bago ka sa Benz, gusto mo you're thinking to enter into the Benz world, ito ang papasukin mo. Kasi ito ang pinaka-mura. Tapos, ito sedan, pinaka-mura. Kaya, during its time, ito ang pinaka-best-selling car ng Mercedes noon. The C-Class, no? So galing siya dito, tapos may dalawang generation na nauna. Ang gusto ko talaga is I really like the second generation. Lagay ko yung picture dito. Ewan ko lang, gusto ko lang yung itsura nun, tsaka yung loob nun. At tsaka, ano ang special sa coaching is to, is the engine. Kung di nyo alam, ang engine nito, it only has 4-cylinder engine, 1.8 liter, maliit lang. But, ito, supercharged. So, underrated yan, no? Hindi mo pero it has a supercharged engine. So, silipin lang natin konti yung kotse, no? Sorry, medyo masikip. Pero mamaya, ikutan natin na mas maluwag from a different location. So, yung original owner nito, gusto niya, he bought this car brand new from Casa. Gusto niya naka-AMG package. So, you can request that from Casa. Instead na regular C-Class, lalagyan nila ng mga AMG goodies. So we have the body kits, AMG body kits, ayan. Yung bumper, ayan, iba na yan, AMG na yan, style. And of course, the 18-inch mags AMG. Yan ang pinaka maganda dyan. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. 18-incher yan, malaki. Side skirts, the rear bumper. Tapos meron din ito. AMG, AMG ducktail ba tawag dyan? Not so sure. Tapos tinanggal yung mga badges, AMG nilagay because AMG Sport Package. Yan. So basically yun lang naman yun. And this is the Avantgarde variant. Mas mataas na kaysa sa mga regular na C-Class. No? So this is a local released brand new from Casa back in 2009. Yan yun. And what I like is ito, yung antena niya. Gusto ko yung antena niya. The shark fin type. Ganda lang tingnan. Very modern. And yung likod, curvy. May style niya, curvy na. no? And medyo malapad pa rin siya. And ang maganda rito, kahit maliit on the outside, titignan mo, yan, kasya-kasya dito, kahit masikip. Sa loob, it doesn't feel really small. Spacious pa rin inside when you're driving her. So, yun naman ang maganda sa C-Class, no? Or sa 190e. Maliit from the outside pag titignan mo, pero when you're in the inside, maluwag siya. Yan. Tapos mamaya, actually, ngayon, I'm gonna take some photos of this car kasi nga ipopost ko na sa marketplace. Tapos, hanap tayo location mamaya. Tapos, let's drive around White Plains. Pahanginan ko na rin yung gulong ito just to check. Tapos, bili tayo ng coffee. Then, take shots. Then, i-drive natin para you guys can see. Kasi itong coaching to, ang ganda talaga. Again, I've had this car a year of ownership. Not this car, pero yung kotse ng daddy ko, C200 din yun. And it's 2008 ata. Sobrang gandang kotse. Perfect for city, no? So, later, drive natin siya. So, umuulan lang ng konti. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Ulan na naman. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, puro itim yung kotse natin sa garahe. The Lexus, the 124, the C200, and may ibang 190e. So, anyway, here is the engine of the C200. Yan. Why will you buy a C200 third generation? Is because of this engine. Yan. For me, ito ang buying power. Ito ang buying reason mo. Number one reason for me is this engine. 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter, maliit ng displacement, but supercharged, baby. Yan. Naka-supercharged yan. So, by the way, ito nga pala, pag nag-maintain, i-shoutout ko na rin si Boss Alex ng European Wrench. So, sa European Wrench, trusted yan. Pagdating sa mga modelong Benz, siya yung tinatap natin, kompleto siya ng gamit. Kung makita mo yung kotse niya, his car is full of tools. Tapos ang maganda sa kanya, yung computer na ginagamit niya, yung scanner na ginagamit niya is merong STAR software. Yun yung pang Benz talaga na ina-allow ni Benz na para ma-diagnose mo yung computer system niya. STAR diagnosis. Yan, so meron siya noon. Kaya si Alex na nagme-maintain nito. Ang mga pinagawa namin dito, when we got her back then, change oil of course, tapos yung arms, nagpalit na kami. Yun, yung mga yun. So anyway, if ever you have a modelong Benz, yung mga 2000 up or late 90s up, contact Alex, kaya-kaya niya gawin lahat. Napakabait, napakagaling. And yung price niya reasonable naman, no? So, anyway, here is the engine again for you. Horsepower nito is about 180 horsepower. So, decent enough para sa size na coaching to. It's a compact car, compact sedan, lightweight. Tapos, lalagyan mo na supercharge. Mamaya, ewan ko kung maririnig ng video, but yung dinrive ko kahapon to, naririnig ko yung whistle niya. Yan, ito. So, when I had the car, dati yung sa kotse, yung sa dad ko naman din, yun yung gamit kong car before. Sobrang ganda talaga ng compressor. Naririnig mo siyang nagwa-whine. So, ito, maintenance lang naman ito. Kaya naman i-maintain to, nililinisan lang yan. Bubuksan, lilinisan, oil, mga ganyan. Yan, that's how you take care of the supercharge. So, again, one of the reasons ba't ka bibili ng C200 third generation is because of this engine. Matinong engine yan. Very, very reliable. Very, very powerful and fun to drive, no? So, okay. So, let's head over to pa-check ko lang yung tire pressure sa Shell. Tapos bili tayo ng coffee. Then hopefully kung tumigil na yung ulan, shoot tayo. Picturean na natin to, no? Alright. Yun, buti. So humina na yung ulan kahit pa paano. So here's the car for you. Ganda tingnan dito. Puro Benz. 3 Benz. 80s, then merong modelo. Ayan, ganda rin ang muffler niya kung titingnan nyo, di ba? Very neat. So, here is the key. Yan, di susi pa yan. Ganda na susi nyo. Tapos meron niyang alarm. Yan, pwede mo buksan yung trunk. Keyless, poke. Very convenient. Yan, kung titignan mo yung likod, decent space naman. Yan, kung mag-grocery ka, walang problema, lagay mo dyan. You have space. Ito yata yung tire. Ewan. Yan. So, anyway, here's the car for you. First start natin. Lock. Yan. So, itong loob ng 2009, third generation, C200. Ganda ng logo, Benz. Ito lang, sakit din nila to, yan. Nagbe-fade yung stickers, nawawala. Pero this one, nabibili yan. Kahit nga Shopee meron eh. Or kung wala, madali bilhin to. May kilala tayo dyan. Walang problema. So, ito yung loob. Look at the steering wheel, oh. Sporty tingnan, ang ganda. Sakto yung size. So, here's the key. Yan yung slot. Lalagyan mo lang siya dyan. Then, first start. Pwede siyang ganito. Yun. Alright. Starts right up. So, mileage. Yan, kung makikita nyo, 50,000 pa lang. 50,000 pa lang siya. And ito pala, one of the reasons, second reason ba't gustong gusto ko to, is yung needle niya, yung speedometer niya dito. Floating needle yan. Mamaya, kung ano tayo mamaya, drive, makikita nyo, parang nagpo-float yan pag umaandar. Yan. So this car only has 50,000 kilometers from Kasapayan. Simple lang yung gauge niya. Kung titingnan nyo yung gauge cluster, RPM is up to 8. Yan. Tapos power window, konti lang kasi medyo umuulan. Second, yan. Atras natin. Ito yung radyo niya, ganyan lang. Tago muna natin. Then the park foot brake. Tapos yan yung style ng araw, parang sa sensor sa rear. Yan, pag tumutunog, sensor yun, no? Alright. Sa ating garahe, automatic, 5-speed data. Hindi ko alam kung 6, pero 5-speed yata yan. Yan, alright. Ito, a clearer view for you guys. Third generation, 2009 C200 AMG Sport Package. Ano, kung titignan nyo, medyo naka-flare na siya. Diba? Ayan, mas ma-appreciate mo sa labas. With the side skirts, the 18s AMG mags, medyo flared out ng konti kumpara sa stock. Ganda nitong duck spoiler, the rear bumper. Ito rin, I like this one also. Add-ons na lang din yan. Yan, no? Very classy, sport and classy at the same time. Avant-garde. Tapos meron ding signal dito, light. Ang ayoko lang dito sa harap, yung headlight niya masyadong maliit for me. Tapos wala pa siyang DRL, no? Maganda yung may DRL eh. Yung 4th generation may DRL na. So you can see yung logo nila wala na dito sa hood, andito na sa grill. Pero maganda naman, I like the grill. Alright, let's go for a ride. Again, this is the inside of the car. Maliit lang yung screen niya. Natatago yan. Press this one, lumalabas. Kasi kung makikita mo speakers nyo, malakas yan. Radio lang, radio. Alright. So, actually very spacious from the inside. Sa labas, mukhang maliit. Pero pag nasa loob ka, spacious siya. Tapos yung upuan lang niya, it's not that wide, so medyo masikip ng konti, pero okay lang yan. Tapos ang adjustment niya mano-mano when you want to bring it forward or backward, mano-mano, but electronic dun sa sandalan niya, rear, no? Again, this one, yung mga yan, sakit nila yan, pero madaling palitan yan, napapalitan yan. The controls of the headlight, it's here, very Benz-like. Tapos yun na, may mga controls na rito. And may Bluetooth na rin ata siya or speaker. Ayan, ito yung mic, may mic siya eh. So, yan yung aircon niya. Malakas. Aircon is very very strong, very very cold. Meron din yan dual dito. Sige, sa likod. Ayan, kung titingnan nyo, ito lang yung tsura ng harap. Plastic lang. Hindi naman siya leather or something. Entry level nga. Pero at least this one I like. The silver accent, no? Ganda naman siya. Tapos, this is very, very fun to drive, guys. Kaya, perfect talaga for city. Yan, sa likod. Yan. Ito yung likod. Tingnan natin yung space. Naka-focal na pala. Hindi ko alam kung pinalitan. Pinalitan nata ni nung dating may-ari nito eh. First owner. Tapos, meron pa sabitan ng damit dito. Very clean headliner. So, yan. May space naman. I'm 5'9" or close to 10. Tapos medyo sagad yung upuan sa akin. Dahil pag nag-drive ako, gusto ko medyo sagad. So, I still have space here. So, pwedeng 3 tao, 2, 3. So, this car can sit 5 people comfortably sa likod, no? Ayan. So, asawa mo, anak mo, pwede dito sa likod. Ayan. Tapos meron pa mahabang speaker ulit sa likod. Ito yung sensor natin, back in the days. The reading lights. Yan. Alright, so yan, no? Tapos may aircon ka pa dito sa likod. Again, executive subcompact car. Entry level pa lang to, pero you get all these goodies, no? Tapos ito, maganda rin. This one I like. Push of a button, yun, di ba? Yan. So, pwede ka maglagay ng gamit dyan. Cup holder dito. Pwede. Mamaya, testingin natin. Alright. Ayun. Pwede pala Bluetooth, pero for telephone lang siguro. Ready for Bluetooth telephone. I don't know if you guys can see. So, i-connect mo lang yan. No? So, this is how you control her. Yan, yung mga message. As you can see, 0 message. Right. Back. Ayun lang. Service. Wala namang sinasabi. Back. Trip. Ito mo. Trip. Clock. Yan. It's how you reset. Telephone. Time, date. Yan. Okay. So anyway, yun lang. Pinaglalaruan ko lang kasi ngayon ko lang siya ito-testing. Yan yung temperature natin. Ang alam ko ang Benz tumataas ng more than 80 yan. So tingnan natin mamaya, no? Alright. So this is your transmission. Ganda ng shift knob niya. Very elegant with that Benz logo. Automatic. Kagat-agad. Tapos pwede siyang manual mode. Plus and minus. Alright. Ayan, tinan mo yung gauge. If you can see, floating. Ayan, sa nakikita nyo, nagpo-float siya. Ayan. You know, very responsive engine. Sana naririnig nyo yung whine, no? Later. Try natin ihataw. Para sana marinig nyo yung supercharger. You know, I can hear her already. Walang kalampag. Very fun to drive. Sarap iliko. Very light yung feel niya. Hindi matagtag. The ride is good. Perfect talaga, you know? Pwede sa asawa mo. Ito nga sa friend ko, mostly misis niya gumagamit. Kasi kailangan na misis niya yung maliit, yung madali i-maneuver para hindi mahirapan. So, sabi nga ng asawa niya, si Margo, sobrang wala daw siya reklamo sa coaching to. Nakatint na rin. No? So, ganda. I would buy one. No? Na-miss ko tuloy yung kotse namin dati. Kasi ito nga hindi na-drive ko before. When I mentioned to you, meron din tayo C-Class noon kay Dad. 2007. So, everyday ko rin yun sa Paranaque. Love that car. Kasi nga, very fun to drive, no? Alright. Alright, the car is out of the village. First time I'll be driving her outside. Again, no, this car pala, the reason why she's with me, it's for sale. Pinapabenta. So, bibenta natin. The price that I would post this one is about 585 siguro. Konting negotiable. Ang ganda ng Defender, oh. Ganda, grabe. So, a bit negotiable. A good price na yon. Kasi when I was browsing, ang mga presyuhan ng ganito without the AMG package, no. So far ito pa lang yung nakita kong naka AMG package is 400 low and 600 high. So isa-set ko siya somewhere in between. Kasi nga it's from the casa, tapos naka AMG package siya. And wala ka nang papagawa. Da-drive mo na lang pa uwi, no. Mayroon kang AMG goodies, the 18's mag, the bumpers, etc. etc. Yan. Ayun, no. I can hear the whine. Sana naririnig nyo. Sarap. Alright. Woo! Grabe. Lakas. Oh, may pull. Naramdaman ko yung hila niya. Ayan, yun na yung normal temp niya. Above 80. normal sa Benz yan na modelo, no? Ganyan sila. Kasi mga Japanese either gitna or below gitna. Pero ang Benz ibang operating temperature nila. So the road is a bit wet dahil lumambon ng konti. Yan. Excited tuloy ako pumasok bukas. Today is a Sunday, tomorrow Monday. Dali natin. Ay, hindi pala pwede kasi coding to. So Tuesday I'll be bringing the Lexus tomorrow. Coding pala siya, no? Anyway, here is White Plains for you on a Sunday afternoon drive with this C200 third generation. Ito rin, gusto ko rin yung mga knobs niya, manual pa. So kahit pa paano, may nafe-feel ka pang medyo hindi na digital, at least may nakahawakan ka pang mga knobs, no? Pati ito, tignan mo, dipindot pa. So may CD pa siya. Tapos ito, can control this one, the radio here. Yan. I'm loving the steering wheel. Parang sporty talaga siya. Sarap hawakan, a bit chunky, no? Ang gaan ng kotse, nararamdaman mo magaan siya. Tapos parang gusto mo siyang ihataw lagi. Very underrated car, no? Kasi tayo sanay tayo sa mga Honda, SIR, hataw-hataw, ganyan. Pero itong mga Benz na ganito, hindi na napapansin masyado. Actually, yung second generation, makakakuha ka na lang as much as low as 200,000 pesos. Ang dami ko nakikita. Gusto ko nga kumuha eh. Kasi yun, yung engine nun, supercharged din. So, kung mahilig ka mag-drive, mahilig ka humataw ng konti, gusto mo maglaro-laro ng konti, yan, that would be a perfect car for you. Tapos you're on a budget, you can buy as much as 250,000, 300 high, 200 low. Yung second generation na C-Class. Maganda rin yun, maganda itsura din yun. No? So, ayan. The C-Class for you. Entry level of Mercedes-Benz. Kung nag-iisip ka mag-Benz, natatakot ka sa Benz, ito, as you can see, no faults. Malinis na malinis. Again, shout out kay European Wrench. If you guys need home service, change oil lang, whatever, pag modelo na Benz, so contact that guy. Siya na nag-aalaga nito eh. Ito pala, butas na rin. So anyway, this one, napapalitan yan. Madali bilhin yan. Here in Turks, syempre alam mo na, kuha lang tayo ng iced coffee just to enjoy the drive. Try natin yung cup holder na dito. Meron siyang isa. Hindi ko pa na-discover kung meron iba, pero parang wala na. Yun lang, no, medyo nararamdaman ko yung laki ng mugs niya, 18. Medyo ramdam ko yung bigat ng mugs, pero okay lang yun, pogi naman eh, no. So the weather is nice, wala nang ulan. Pa-check ko lang yung hangin, then let's look for a spot. Siguro sa village siya lang ulit para picturean ko. I have my camera with me, picturean natin siya, no? Tapos ready for posting. I don't know, by the time na upload ko na tong video na to, baka nabenta na natin to. Sana hindi pa, no? Kasi gusto ko pang gamitin muna. Dahil natutuwa talaga ako dito. Ang liit, sakto pang office, kasya gamit mo, kasya grocery mo. It's just fun to drive, supercharge, no? Supercharge, yan yun yung binibili nyo dyan. Alright? Got my coffee here. Okay naman, she's working. So, lapit na tayo sa Shell. Dami pa naman siyang gas. Loving the float, yung needle, no? Floating needle tawag dyan. Ganda ng gauge, simpleng-simple. So, I love, simpleng-simple lang, oh. So, the entry-level C-Class for you. Here in Shell, our favorite gas station. Alright. Pila. Shell. Hangin. No? Yan. So, ano pa ba? Anyway, the interior is nice. Hindi lang siya leather. Ano ko anong tawag dito? Medyo hard plastic eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ng leather dyan. But everything is nice talaga. Very refreshing. Simpleng-simple. No? Dito nainis ako. Gusto ko tuloy palitan. Kaya lang hindi ko kotse. Pero madali ng palitan yan. Siraki maraming parts. Yung pinagbibila natin ng European parts online, Siraki. Kayang-kaya niya lahat. Makakabili tayo dun. This was my car. Pero hindi eh. No? So, yeah. I'm loving the car. Namimiss ko tuloy yung lumang kotse ko. Kasi binigay na sa ate ko yon. So, yeah. Anyway. Just finished yung hangin. Lahat kulang sa hangin. Miko, di mo nilalagyan ng hangin yung kotse mo, no? So, okay na siya ngayon. Let's head back and enjoy the car further. And yung temperature niya, guys, normal talaga yan. Masarap na i-drive. Sobrang sarap talaga niya i-drive, no? Wala akong masabi. Headed back to the village. White Plains for you. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunday afternoon drive. I'm loving, again, the C200 third generation. no? Again, I wouldn't mind buying another C-Class kahit nga second gen para makatipid-tipid ng konti. Anyway, I get the same engine, the compressor tawag dun, supercharged engine. Ang sarap talaga niya, naririnig mo na nagwa-whine. So nakakatuwa, di ka maiiwanan. So kung gusto mo siyang ihataw, di ka mapapahiya dito, bibigyan ka niya ng hatak, no? Actually, ihataw mo siya ng ihataw. Ayun. Woo! Sana naririnig niyo yung supercharger, no? Kasi nagwa-whine nga siya. So, turbo minsan may lag. Ang supercharger diretso kasi naka-mount lang sa makina yon, diretso yun. Diretsong instant power when you're comparing it to a turbo nga. Turbo kasi medyo may lag pa ng konti. So, yan. Okay. See you back in the village. Hanap tayo ng spot. Sana hindi umulan. Let's take a couple of pictures. One more pool for you guys. Woo! Solid. Dito tayo sa clubhouse ng village sa Giraffe. Yan, here's the car. Maganda kasi yung spot dito with that view ng Eastwood, no? That's a car for you sa pang-ikot. Ito pala yung hood na pinturahan na ata dati to. I can see some bubbles there, konti. So, yun lang yung nagalaw dyan. And kung maalala ko, sabi nung first owner, napalitan na raw yung windshield nito kasi nabasag dati. Nagkaroon ng rock chip. Ito na. Tama, napalitan na yan. So, hindi na original yung windshield na yan. So, yun lang naman. Lahat original paint except for the hood. Kaya pala may bubble na konti. No? Anyway, here's the car for you. Last spot for you guys. Tapos picturean ko na. Alright, so just finished taking the photos of this car. Buti humina yung ulan. So anyway, that's the vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this third generation 2009 C200 compressor with the AMG package. Yan, sa pang-ikot. Yung likod, gusto ko rin yung likod nito. Hindi ko alam bakit. Yan. Tapos yung logo, bagay na bagay sa kanya, no? Anyway, that's the vlog for today. So, if you enjoy my videos or you enjoy this type of videos, yan, mga ganyan, mga fini-feature natin, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Para lang mabawi natin yung mga nawawalang subscribers dati, no? So, thanks for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.